Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're heading north on I-65, beginning at its southern terminus in Mobile, Alabama. I-65 takes an indirect route through Alabama, meandering a bit to connect 6 of the state's 10 largest cities. All of I-65 in Alabama is designated as Purple Heart Trail, as well as Heroes Highway, in honor of the CIA officer Johnny Mike Spann of Winfield and all of the people who'd passed away during the September 11th attacks. As we drive through Mobile, note the abundance of pull-through signs over the road with the control city of Montgomery. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out, and hit the like button if you enjoy our videos. We enter the city of Prichard, which had a population of 21,531 as of 2018. In 1925, Prichard was incorporated as a city. During World War II, the defense industry and shipbuilding expanded in Mobile, and Prichard became a company town. Many Mobile shipbuilding companies built homes for their workers in Prichard. At exit 9, we see the north end of I-165, a spur route which goes into the downtown area of Mobile on the east side of the city. In addition to Interstate 165, in the first 19 miles of I-65, 4 different U.S. highways cross the interstate: US 90, US 98, US 45, and US 43. Here we enter the city of Chickasaw, which had an estimated population of 5,745 as of 2018. In the early 20th century, before the city now standing was incorporated, the present site of Chickasaw was a company town wholly owned by Chickasaw Shipyard and developed for its workers. The property was bought by Gulf Shipbuilding Corporation in 1940. It expanded with the defense buildup during World War II. As we cross the Chickasaw Creek, we enter the city of Saraland with a population of 14,649. The present name of the city is reported to have been given by C.J. DeWitt, a retired minister-editor who moved south in 1890 for health reasons. He opened the first post office on the Southern Railroad in 1895. The community is purported to be the namesake of his beloved wife, Sarah. Just east of Saraland was the site of Amtrak's worst rail disaster on September 22, 1993, when the Sunset Limited crossed the Big Bayou Canot Bridge at high speed and derailed at a kink in the track. The damage to the track was caused by a barge captain who rammed the bridge by making a wrong turn in the waterway and failed to report the accident. 47 people, of whom 42 were passengers, were deceased, many by drowning, others by fire. Much of the rescue efforts were average citizens of the community who journeyed out in the early morning hours in small fishing boats to help at the scene. We enter the city of Satsuma, which had a population of 6,157 as of 2018. Known prior to 1915 as Fig Tree Island, the city was named after the Satsuma orange, which was successfully cultivated and grown in Alabama starting in 1878. We enter the city of Creola, incorporated in 1978. As of the 2018 estimate, Creola had a population of 2,015 people. We conclude today's video at exit 22. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.